Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we're diving into the AKASO EK7000, the ultimate sports recording camera that's making waves in the market. Hey there, fellow adventurers! Today, we're talking about the AKASO EK7000, a powerhouse of a camera designed to capture all your thrilling moments with precision and clarity. Let's dive right in. The AKASO EK7000 is not your average action camera. With its 4K Ultra HD resolution, you'll be able to relive your adventures in stunning detail. Whether you're hitting the slopes, riding the waves, or exploring the great outdoors, this camera is your perfect companion. Hey there! What sets the AKASO EK7000 apart from the competition? Well, let me tell you. First off, its 20 megapixels photos and 170-degree wide-angle lens ensure that you capture every moment. From epic jumps to scenic vistas, with breathtaking clarity and depth. But wait, there's more. The AKASO EK7000 comes with a wireless wrist remote control, allowing you to capture the action from a distance with ease. Plus, with its longer battery life and waterproof design, you can keep recording for hours on end, even in challenging conditions. And here's the best part. Built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI connectivity mean you can edit and share your adventures in minutes. Simply download the AKASO Go app on your phone or tablet, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the AKASO EK7000 is perfect for capturing your outdoor escapades. And with its wide range of accessories, including a waterproof case and mounting options, the possibilities are endless. So there you have it, folks, the AKASO EK7000. The best sports recording camera on the market today. Whether you're shredding the slopes or catching waves, make sure you're equipped with the AKASO EK7000 for all your epic adventures. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy recording. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and product showcases. See you in the next video.